Hi, good morning Nana. How are you? I'm good. In this lecture, I'm going to explain or introduce the new chapter atoms. Okay. J.J. Thomson, a scientist named J.J. Thomson, he did his experiments on electric discharge through gases. So from these experiments, Thomson came to know that these atoms consist of both positively charged constituents and also negatively charged constituents. Okay, so atom consists of both positively charged particles as well as negatively charged particles. And according to Thomson, the atomic structure is just like the positively charged atoms are, or the positively charged particles are uniformly distributed in this atom, and the negatively charged particles are embedded just like seeds of watermelon. Embedded is nothing but they are fixed deeply in the surrounding mass. Okay, just like if you cut the watermelon, you will observe the reddish portion as well as the seeds which are deeply fixed in this reddish portion. Okay, the atom too looks in this way. This is the atomic structure according to J.J. Thomson. And this model is named as plum pudding model. This is the first atomic model which was explained by J.J. Thomson. And a scientist named Rutherford, while he doing his experiments on alpha particle scattering, he came to know that the entire positive charges and most of the mass is concentrated in a small volume. So okay, the entire positive charges and most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in a small volume. Okay, in a small volume. Okay, and all the electrons are revolving around this volume, like sun is situated at the center and the remaining planets are revolving around this sun. Okay, so the entire positive charges are situated in a small volume and the electrons are revolving around this small volume. Okay, this is the atomic structure. As per Rutherford. Okay, this small volume is known as nucleus. Okay, this is about Rutherford atomic model. This is nothing but Rutherford nuclear model or atomic model. Okay, we will discuss little more about Rutherford nuclear model in our next class, and also about alpha particle scattering. Okay Nana, bye.